say anything?
No, I don't fight nobody. Look, my mother just died.
I'm sorry to hear
I
that.
got nothing with cameras.
We're obviously here. You don't know how to act.
I'm walking myself.
You need to fix.
Just take them.
We're chill. 1 second, we're chilling. The next
No,
one.
I'm chill, but they think he's somebody.
A man in grief. Bag of scissors. 9.5 hours of alcohol. 3 legal questions from this encounter remain unanswered. Orlando International Airport, June 12, 2025.
What's going on?
That's it.
Telecom Airport 6 4-hour unit check.
What's going on?
It's, he went up to the to our floor, to the lobby, and trying to get an issue, trying to fight, and all of that. And right now he just calmed down. I convinced him to kind of come downstairs.
Okay.
And then he just came up, he was putting himself, and then we started.
491.
You know,
You said he's trying to fight?
yeah.
Did you say anything?
No, I don't fight nobody.
Okay.
No.
He said he's trying to fly to LA, but
Oh,
My
fly.
flight.
you told me he was trying to fight you, so for no reason. So but right now he's good. Like I told you, he's trying to fly to LA as well, but he doesn't know if he got a ticket or not.
You seem calm now. I don't see any problem with you.
Look, my mother just died.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear
I
that.
go to LA, and then from LA I fly back to Jersey. I got a long 4 days ahead of me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to put that on you. I did not. But this is hard right now. I didn't want to leave here.
Okay. So from my understanding, you're still in good shape. Nobody's trying to trespass or anything. It's not trying to refuse a room or anything like that.
No, sorry. Yeah,
What I need you to do is just go somewhere else and just try to settle down.
I don't know where my flight is. I'm trying to find out what is going on. I don't know because the Warriors handled everything. I don't know what's going on right now.
We got scissors in there, so.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, put that back.
Put that down. Put that down.
Put that down.
Put that down.
Put it down. I'm telling you to put it down, all right?
No, I'm a hairstylist.
I understand. You can put it down because I don't feel comfortable you holding this right now. So put it back, and I'll give it back to you. All right? Zip your bag up.
No, you guys are seriously so. Oh, are you joking right now? I'm a hairstylist.
Can't be a
That doesn't mean anything.
Here, take these then. You can get more right there. Take those also.
I'll give it back to you right now.
My God.
So we figure out what's going on.
You got an ID? Boss, what's your name?
My name is Steven.
Steven, do you have
I
ID?
love the fact that you're all.
Do you have ID?
I love the fact you're all.
Do you have ID or not?
Yeah, Jim.
Let me see it.
Can I ask you why you need to see it?
Right now, it seems to me that you don't have any business at the airport, correct?
I have a flight going out.
Let me see the ticket.
Tell me why.
Let me
you
see the
buy
ticket.
it.
Let me see the ticket.
Excuse me?
Let me see your ticket.
It's on.
This is going to be my 3rd time asking you. If you don't let me see a ticket, then you will be trespassed from the airport.
You know what?
Can I get it? Lance out to my location.
This is the one thing that you guys always make a mistake about. You always make this mistake. Why do you want to do that? Why do you want
I
to
asked you
come at a
3.
simple
Now this is
guy
going to be
like
my
me
4th time.
and
Let me see your
make
ticket.
a spectacle about it? Why do you want to make such a spectacle? Because you know at the end of the day.
You are delaying your process. Let me see your ticket.
I'll bleed. My
That's
plane
fine. Let me see your
for a
ticket.
couple hours. My phone is completely unlocked. What do you want to do?
Let me see your ticket. Pull it
Do
up.
something.
Pull up your
Here's
ticket.
my phone unlocked.
Are you
for
telling me that you don't have a ticket? Pull up your ticket.
Who do I call?
Pick that cigarette up and put it back in your backpack.
First of all, don't order me, mother.
Okay. You are talking your way into jail. You're up here. I need you to calm
you
down.
honestly think I give a shit where I'm from? Jersey. I'm sitting here.
I don't care
doing
where you're
nothing. Nothing with cameras.
We're obviously here
Don't even
because you
talk
don't know
to
how
me
to
like
act.
I'm walking myself.
You need to
into something.
fix
What
yourself.
do you want? It's right here. What do you want? Don't aggressively come at me for a cigarette. Do not come at me. You wanna what? Why don't we get somebody from TSA to get my ticket? Because my ticket's on file. So there's my phone. There's my phone. My hands are up. Alright? All these cameras. Let's get TSA to come here and show me where my ticket is. Because apparently I don't know. I do. I'm asking TSA to come and show me where it is. Because I ain't being that and don't come at me, mother.
So where's your ID?
Don't. I showed you my ID. Don't come at me.
Who's coming at you? I'm telling you, you're dropping all your on the floor. We're telling you to put everything back together.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
We got called out here because you don't know how to act.
What do you want? What do you want?
We were just down here. We were ready to end this thing. Yeah. And now you want to act like that.
No, I'm not escalating. You are. Explain to me, sir, what do you want from me right now?
I want you to leave and
I have a plane.
Get out of here.
Leave.
And stop causing disturbance to the Hyatt employees.
I can't leave. I have a plane, so I can't.
Listen, what's your name?
Steven?
Steven?
Custodial.
Okay. All right, Steven, nice to meet you. Listen, what we need from you right now is you got to see some form of ticket, some plane ticket, because that means that you have business to be here, right? That's all we want to see. If you have a plane ticket and you can be civilized, you're good to go. All right?
Sir, I'm always civilized.
All right? I mean, clearly right now you're a little bit riled up. But
you know why?
You're a little bit riled up.
One white guy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5, 4 Puerto Ricans and a black guy. All up on me.
Listen, bro.
So tell me what. Now I'm from Patterson, New Jersey.
Let's not play that race
card. So tell me now when
right?
you want to flip-flop that shit, how that seems wrong. You tell me when you have one white guy.
Listen,
please,
if you want to play like that, we'll just wait for landside, all right?
Here's my phone, sir.
Are you going to show me the ticket?
What do you want? What do you want?
All right, bro, let's just wait for landside. We're not going to be playing this game with you. So good, bro. Don't worry. That's it.
I'll bring you. I'll call the person.
Just wait for landside, bro, because he's just going to go play that. I want to trespass.
I'm doing something wrong.
Mind keeping your hands out of the bag?
How about you shut the up? You're that weak.
Keep your hands out of the bag.
You're
Stop digging around your back. You're going to go in cuffs.
Are you a pussy?
Hands out of the bag.
I'm getting my fucking ID. Are you a pussy? I'm resisting. Why are you hurting me?
Stay just like that.
Yeah. I'm not hurting you.
Stay just like that.
I'm not hurting you. You pussy ass. You're a pussy. You too? Yeah. Richardson. The lawsuit's coming against you. Know that. Why are you tweaking my arm? Ah! Because I did nothing. I went to get my ID for them, and they want to be pussies. Yep. A guy with no shoes on. These are your cops. These are your cops. These are your cops. You see that? These are your cops. These are your cops. Your cops. Right here, sir. Those are your cops. No shoes on. They think they're cops. Those are your cops. Those are... No. What? You want to act like what? I didn't have shoes on when you attacked me. You mother... We have cameras all over the... I was going to get you by ID. You want to attack me. You. You. I'm on a flight out. I can't wait to sue all you mother...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You think you're tough, bro. You're a pussy. You know what I'm going to say? You really are. Yeah. I mean, you got beat up every day in high school. You thought you were going to do something in Citrus County, but you're not. You know what? Because when you come from Jersey like me, you're a loser, bro. That's what you are.
Steven, do you have your ID with you?
I don't know, sir. I'm handcuffed. So I don't know.
You being handcuffed doesn't...
Why am I being handcuffed? Why?
Because
I'm so disgruntled?
You just got in this guy's face.
No, I did not. No. You attacked me.
After he told you not to reach in your bag.
I was going for my ID.
When I got here, me and you were down here. Now you want to take it all the way up here.
I was going for my ID, and now you want to escalate shit.
This officer asked you for your ID 5 times.
And I went for it. And then all of a sudden you want to say, I'm reaching. Are you joking? Listen to me. Look, bro, this don't work.
Let me ask you this.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Let me ask you this,
What do you
Steven.
want to do? What do you want to do, bro?
How much did you drink today? Really?
Way too much.
Way too much?
Way too much.
You got an ID for him, brother?
Shut the
Are you
I
from
can't wait to sue your department.
Are you from here or are you a different state?
I'm from Jersey,
Jersey.
bro. You don't even know who I am. I'm being very, very, very nice right now to all of you. I am missing a flight because you want to detain me. But you know what? No. Listen, mother.
So, listen, before we take him to a car, let's check his pockets, make sure he's clean. And
What? I ain't got pockets, you.
Stand up.
I ain't got pockets. I ain't got pockets. Look at this. Boys. White.
All right, sit back down.
You want to be that guy? You want to be that guy? Bro, I'm the guy that's going to bring your whole fucking department down for no reason. For no reason. You're acting like the people.
India, Bravo, Lima, India,
Oh
Alpha.
my God.
First
Yeah,
name
what?
Steven.
Here, go ahead, take them off.
Sierra Tango, Echo,
Sit back down,
Papa,
man.
Hotel,
Come on,
Echo,
sit
November.
down.
Take them,
Middle name,
take them off.
Thomas,
Go ahead, take
Justin
them off.
Thomas.
You
Date of birth,
officer,
10,
mother.
74
Take
on
them
a
off.
whiskey mic.
Sit down.
I'm not.
Just relax. Why are you up and down, man?
Just
If you
take
can
them
run
the
it-
off.
We're chill. One second we're chilling. The next
No,
we're
I'm chill, but this think he's somebody. Take him the off.
okay.
I'll bring the sheet out.
Okay. Let's get your sandals on.
I got it.
This is,
Yeah, yeah.
This is info. This is info, right? Yeah.
Okay. We're going this way.
Pay up my bag.
Oh, sorry. Yep. Go to the right. Dude, Steven, relax.
No, this motherfucker wants to grab me this way. You feel good in
For
your
what?
job?
Like,
You feel good? You
like,
feel
why are
good?
we doing
You
this,
feel
man?
good? You feel good? You feel
Dude,
good?
I was ready to let you go on
I'm
your way.
going on a
And now
flight.
you got to get in the officers' faces.
Really?
And be
Because
crazy.
I'm sitting down. Because you sure know something else with churches like you. You sit here in your Florida town thinking like you're somebody. What do you want to do? Me? Take me? I'll see you tomorrow, believe me. I'll make the money. I don't even give a shit. I'll make the money tomorrow.
When did you start drinking? Honestly.
What time is it?
It's 1:30.
About 4.
4?
Yeah, I know.
And you've been this f***ed up since?
I've been,
Come on, dog.
dude, what? Yeah, you want to be? I'm being serious. Yeah. So put me in a car, put me in a cab. Where we going?
We're going in that SUV.
Why?
We're going to jail, Steven.
Then you know I gotta sue you, right? You know I have to sue you because you have no cause at all. You have no cause at all, and I gotta sue you now. And it's awesome because I got a flight waiting for me.
It should be open.
I can't wait. I can't wait. This is awesome. Oh my god, bro! I never thought that like a $400,000 payday was coming today. Can you take these off?
No, man. Watch out. Let's get the seatbelt on you. Here, sit back.
Well, take these off for you.
Steven, relax.
Oh my god! Now I got 600,000. Can't wait. This is gonna be a great day. What a great day! What a great day!
Steven, I need you to sit down, okay?
I'm sitting. You're just a idiot officer. That's fine.
All right. Let me turn the car off.
Every decision made in the next 14 minutes was shaped by law, policy, and officer training. Or it should have been. This is the legal analysis. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. A hotel disturbance complaint provides reasonable articulable suspicion for a brief investigatory stop. This is the constitutional basis for the initial detention. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Use of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Florida Statute 856.11, disorderly intoxication. 2 theories of liability. intoxication plus endangering safety, or intoxication plus causing a public disturbance in a public place. Intoxication standing alone does not satisfy this statute. Florida Statute 810 IT. Trespass. Landside airport areas are open to the public. Conditioning the right to remain on airport property upon producing a flight ticket has no clear foundation in Florida law. Cohen v. California, 1971. Profanity and offensive language directed at officers is constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. Verbal confrontation alone cannot legally support an arrest. Virginia v. Black, 2003. True threat requires the communication of a serious intent to commit unlawful violence. Does the in-transit statement of "I will kill you when I get out" meet this threshold? Florida Statute 836-12. Threats to law enforcement officers. An oral threat constitutes a second-degree misdemeanor. A written or electronically transmitted threat constitutes a third-degree felony. The form of the threat alone determines the charge classification. Florida v. Bostic, 1991. At what precise point did a consensual airport encounter become a Fourth Amendment seizure? That determination controls the constitutional validity of everything that followed. Lesson 1. Officer communication failures do not invalidate an arrest, but they generate civil liability exposure under the Federal Civil Rights Statute, Section 1983, and directly weaken the prosecutorial position at trial. Lesson 2. Reaching into a bag containing scissors after repeated explicit warnings supplied the constitutional predicate for physical restraint under Graham v. Connor. One decision by the subject shifted the entire legal analysis. Lesson 3. A verbal threat made in custody but not captured on bodycam creates an evidentiary gap that is difficult to overcome at trial. Charge under Florida Statute 836-12, built on uncorroborated testimony, faces serious risk. The arrest is documented. The charges are on record. But the legal questions at the core of this case are not resolved. Not every encounter that ends in handcuffs ends in a conviction. Was demanding a flight ticket a lawful investigative tool or a constitutional overreach? Did the physical restraint meet the Graham standard at the moment it was applied? Can Florida Statute 836-12 survive trial without a recording of the threat? The court decides. Stay with us.